What's up, kiddo? Scott, what are you doing? Hello, puppy. I think that was plus 32 now. I just want to make sure there's enough space for anything. That's something that was a problem last time. That should be more than enough space now. Not back just to know your name. 80. It's 32. 16. Oops. So now what are you at? See your offset. You're overlapping black. I think that's too long. Bottom would be from the pivot point. So this would just end up being negative. You got a boyfriend who looks like a girlfriend. Ah, what was it? Mm-hmm. 96 minus 72 is 24. This is not 12. Mm-hmm. I don't ever want to be you. Fuck you. See it, the bar, hands up. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter that much.
Look out for pirates.
It's a good question. Oh. I don't ever want to be you. Don't want to be just like you. This is the very hands up. I want to be you. The Dark Moon Fairy. Avatar first then. Yeah. Wanna be just like you. Now it's time. Oops. There's a chance. Alright. Bursting into tears. So 0, 8, 16. You're at 24. Do you, baby? Hey, what's up, Shelby? I don't know about that, man.
Are you ready?
Baby. Confident in my fucking ass, dude. Private opera is closed. Passing guards, in it. No, let's go. I mean, wife calls, man.
Darkness with me.
There's no point in streaming. My internet would go down like every 10 minutes, and I'd spend like another 10 minutes trying to wait for it to reconnect. I was just like, oh, well, what's the point in what's the point? Nah, I got a new motherboard. Yeah, there's no point. I finally bit the cost and just said, fuck it, I'll just get a new motherboard and see if it works. And so far it's been sitting at 50 megs to upload, or 50 megs down. No, it hasn't broken yet, so it's good. I don't know why my Ethernet port isn't working though. Okay, so we're going. Also, I've been kind of busy with just other things in general. At the moment we're about to.
I think you can win this thing.
The moment we're about to remake my Twitch overlay. Now that I have some more context on Twitch. As I was going through it, so over the past month plus change and stuff, I've just been doing, well, one, I have actual shit to produce now, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Ooh. No, I wanted that. Fine, you're not getting this. No, I don't want that. I wanted the cool minion, dude. I wanted Mercules. But I've been blending things in from, like, I had a massive, I basically dumped all of my brain over the past, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years into this thing right here, which is what I'm about to port over into the overlay so everything looks the same. But I've learned Godot so much from both Twitch, the background I have in Adventure Quest, I brought that in from the Godot engine, and then like web APIs and stuff and database and like I just basically want to get my Twitch overlay on the same par that the rest of these projects are. With the amount of stuff that's in this thing, there you are. I mean, it doesn't really matter that much. I kind of want that, dude. But I did basically a massive, like, there's just so much in this project that I've learned that I want to use for my stream, and my stream doesn't follow these same principles because being able to maintain these 4 projects, or this one project that has fucking 3 projects inside of it, and know where everything is so that I can like get up and running incredibly quick. Like I know how this entire project happens to work. I would like my Twitch project to be on the same, basically the same level. Damn, I really wish I had something to kill those with. It's tragic. I mean, something to buff. That was like the perfect opportunity to, darn, please. Like rack up a ton of buffs. But I basically did a brain dump, so, you know, working on like, over the past 5-6 years, I don't know, working on tons of different projects, all programming different aspects of it. I was like, wait a second, I can take all this, and I can use it. I can use my learnings. If I am smart, kind of, sometimes. Gonna do this. Okay. Give me a better Mercules, please. Yeah, so that's what we're kind of doing now. And so that way, so the other thing is that working between multiple projects and just, so the one thing I've learned the most out of the past 6-7 years is that being the author of your own code and your own project shows how much you actually know, or you get to, no one can take that from you. When you have to debug other people's projects, especially the past couple of years, or past couple, I don't know, past 8 months or so, trying to, like, it's basically an onion layer trying to figure out, you know, people's past and shit. And so these projects are going to be with me for quite some time, so it just makes sense to have them all on the same page, which was the whole point of you know, spending time streaming, building the overlay in the first place. 'Cause it's also fun to learn. And now that I have a better reference of getting Twitch set up and everything else, it'll be much easier. Nice. Because there's also like it's just easy. There's many better things that I can do, such as the developer life. There's always something else to do. I feel like I know what I want. I don't want it. You don't want that either? Okay. Well, that sucks for me, dude. Wait, what? Ooh.
I didn't like that one either. Here's a
Oh, another
gold
one.
trouble.
Nice. Okay, fine. Oh. I've got this, though. But yeah, and so anyways, basically we're gonna port everything over so I kind of have the efficient way of accessing different, Hey, cat. Oh. OBS for... Oh, thanks for the sub, man. Wait. Did you just gift 5 subs, or is OBS being all funky on me? It's like this weird... Oh, 5 months sub? Oh, wait. I don't know what happened, but like the Twitch chat is broken for OBS. I think that's a badge. I think what you have is a badge. I'm gonna go with the badge. Hey, cat. Nice, nice. Nice. But also I got sick of having like the little pedestal up here, and I realized I'd just rather not. I thought about it a long time ago, and I was like, I don't know if I like this pedestal. I feel like it puts me above people, and I don't like that very much. So I thought about getting rid of it, and that's why I had that like new chat system here too, also to let people see. But I was like, wait, I'm kind of like on a pedestal, and I don't really want to be a pedestal. I don't like that feeling, that sensation. I need one more. That's one of them. That is one of them. Oh, dude, I didn't use it though yet. Oh, what are you doing, sir? Ah, my beautiful buff of +2, +3. What will I ever do with my life? Why would you do this? Well, I need a death rattle trigger, so we can use this. What do you have? Let's go for this. Okay, you also sent this, dude. Ha ha ha. Although I kind of wish... Wait, you can go in the back. I'm a fucking idiot, dude. Why did I play Mercules? Oh my god. If you don't like it, then change. Wait, change what? What, OBS? Or the chat system? What are you talking about? I missed what your comment was in reference to. Oh, dude, I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot. Oh, she triggers herself. I just wish I didn't fuck up my Mercules. I wish I wasn't a fucking moron, because now I have nothing to buff, and I could have had all these beautiful buffs. Bam, look at that buff. Bam, look at that buff. Bam, look at that buff. Oh, I'm such a fucking idiot, dude. That was the perfect play. Except I fucked it up. Sorry, dude. Oh no, that's what this one's for. That's Death Rattles. Oh man, dude, I need another fucking... Oh, this is the one I wanted, but I still need... I'm sure you can do both of these. It doesn't really matter. But what I really need... baby. I don't like either of these. Then I can't believe I fucked that up so hard. My beautiful Mercules, no! Just gotta come down, buddy. I come down. Right down. Give a minion in your hand +4/+4 then summon for the scarlet only. Okay, but anyways, yeah, we're just gonna I'm gonna port basically a shitload of this Twitch stuff over. And now that I think I'm ready to go, I think I'll finish off this game and swap over.
I think you can win this thing.
I think the toast symbol is easier. It's more verse and just overall easier. That's a weird placement for your dude, bro. Oh, alright, cat. That's what I did. I wish I didn't fuck up my Mercules. That triggers twice. It's gotta be. God damn it, dude. I just wish I wasn't a fucking idiot. I feel so bad. I need a golden Mercules now. There's only one solution. I need it.
Your minions really pulled their weight.
Well, you know what? Let's do that. I was hoping for you. Well, I still want this dude more than anything, but, you know, I guess it is what it is. Fuck, man, I can't... What have I done? Actually, I don't want you. Be gone!
Retreat while you can.
I mean, that's better than... I mean, if you're just gonna let the 2 golden go to waste, either one, do that, or do something. So it just buffs itself. Okay. Seems fine. So good, making everyone obey. Sit down,
Keep up the momentum, friend.
sit down. Wait, so did that go off 3 times? Did I get that correctly? I'm so sorry, Mercules. Still took out that bad boy. And Divine Shield. Nice. Kill this, kill this, kill this, kill this, fuck. No! Shield, 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 shields. Bananas. Slamma sticker. He's getting bigger. $60+60.
Nice work out there. Keep up the pressure.
Can I get what's his face, please?
You're down a minion and up a goal. Exactly what you were looking for.
Thank you. Just me, I can take you there.
I didn't like that one either. Here's a gold for the trouble.
Okay. Oh, that's new. Okay. That's okay. Yes, puppy. Okay. Good fire, good fire. Should probably save that. I should probably save that. I should probably save that in case we get another. I'll save you a gold button.
Keep up the momentum, friend.
What do I have that's worth Mercules? I don't know if he's worth summoning. Wait, didn't they get the Macaw last time? I guess that's pretty fair, but you don't have any beasts. Yeah. Thank you. Dude, he's still rocking it. Who's still alive? Oh, that would have been a good hit. Darn. Dude, he's fucking huge. Oh. Sorry, this dude's checking out. It's bigger than the other one.
Destroy you. makes you strong. Go ahead and hire one of these recruits.
Use this on this, and then pass this one. Yes. Yes, yes. Plus, of course. So you summon one, and we so I can only have 5 minions on the field. I'm tempted to take this. Who attacks first? I do. Do they have anything? Yes. So we're guaranteed to trigger you 3 times, which is plus 15, plus 15. You should technically go here. No? No. You should still go here, because you living for a little bit actually made a difference.
You're doing great out there.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Smooth. Oh, that's rude. Nice. This guy, you can go on a little bit, bud. Not right now. Dude, you just went outside. I don't want to hear it. You just went outside. Nice. It's fine. Hit this. Hit this. Make him huge. Nice. Nice, nice. It's adequate. Oh, wait, can I lose here? There's a possibility we're about to lose here. Oh my god. Did I say there's a possibility? I said, I meant to say, we're gonna lose here. Okay, I gotta go to the bathroom. Fine, Sky. Oh, man. Alright. Dude, I keep considering if it's actually worth it or if I should just say fuck it. Do I actually care? Dude, I'd have to make it from fucking scratch again. Some things overlap, not everything does. Ugh. Okay. This just ultimately tells me, like, ultimately begs the question of how the shit is even built. Who built this before Godot existed? Who built Godot? Actually, it tells me in the console. Holy shit. Alright. You are new. You're what we're referencing. Okay. Well, I have a lot of shit to do. Can we finish it this weekend? I don't know. Maybe. Okay. So the reason why we have you is because we are now referencing you. Instead of doing node directory, we can just access the main node, and as we need to make those stones. So in this one, oh, okay. So the game state node, it has this one. So we have, oops, sorry, nodes around the service game state. This has a node reference to itself, which is going to contain nodes for that. So, doing the same thing. I need to get services, so we need to basically do the same thing as you. Oh, not awesome. Okay, so services. Oh my god, I have 3 fucking projects up. Yeah. You are here, and I actually want you here. What up, pirate? When down this night. Yes! If it was the last winter day, as if the morning passed, doing it all night, all summer, doing it the way I wanna. Just good morning, come, doing it all night, all summer. Like no other. Okay, this is gonna be actually very similar. Oh, this is why this is so good. Make a blush. No. Okay, we don't have these. Not yet. Lush life isn't me a rush. Ooh, nice. I had some Costco a little bit ago. Ooh, as if wait, I can't put internal on this, can I? No. Summer, doing it the way I wanna. Let's see how confident I can be in doing templated shit when I'm live on Twitch and not doing this in the shadows, lurking. No, the crush, a rush life in me, a rush. Okay, so we are gonna need the Godots, Godot. Because that's actually going to be our HTTP calls to Spotify and Twitch. So I do need those. Yeah, dude, like this hierarchy, and like this doesn't match what I do now, so although this should probably, I think I should change the client to match this and just have assets wrapped in there, which have to have scenes. I think I need to consider that. But this Although you should be in fonts, which you already exist, so we can get rid of you. Oh my god, dog, please. Dog, please. Which one am I looking at? This one. There's too many fucking Godot's. There's a third one over here. There's too many Godot's. It's Godoting to give me a problem. Get it? It's Godoting to give me a problem. It's Godoting to give me a problem. Godoting to give me a problem. Yes, yes. We have Godot buttons. Staying. Okay, so you are overlay, scripts, whatever. You also have the emotes, and emotes should be a separate project. Which is going to be a rendering. So I don't have to change this main fucking scene. Well, I've realized I should treat these like applications, which they essentially are anyways. Okay, so you, over here, your core, match, yeah, this is why, these, this, shaders are kind of assets now. Should all be in, assets. I think that's how we should do it. I think that just makes it so much easier. I look at the folder, and based off of the hierarchy, I can tell you how much junk is in there. Okay, anyways, so services, Twitch, that's going to match. This is hardcore programming, dude. This is like multiple application. Oh my god, my dog, please. Ah. Dude, I'm gonna put you in here. Oh my god! Sky? I don't... Dude, you're not even close to the front door. Be quiet. Oh my god, dude. Come to help me out. Sky. Sky. And if we can keep these consistent. Oh man. Okay, so Jesus Christ, oh my god, I live in the 21st century. I can drag and drop and have multiple screens resized for me. That's crazy. Okay, so I need to bring this over, this over, this over. So the U4, U input and this are going to be in this. So you guys come with me. So you're going to be this. Come to me, which is going to be this. And actually, I probably could have just brought this over. Now that I think about it, let's just do this. Let's just get rid of you, which is maybe to get rid of it. I got rid of it. Oh my god. This is why I like doing programming, dude. It's like playing Sudoku, but against yourself. And it's with logic instead of just numbers, not just other stuff. It's so much fun. It's so rewarding. It's one giant ass fucking puzzle. Okay, so you need to come over here. And this is why it's so good to reference the same stuff. You go right there. Except you're supposed to go down a layer. Because this is consistent, you should be all fine. Which means... Although I do need to... Okay, I do need to do... There's some other water, quite a bit of setup. Okay, so you have those. Imagine doing double Visual Studio, dude. A crazy ass person, the right mind. I don't know, maybe. Then, I wonder if people program like this. That sure they must. It's weird being on like literally the cutting edge of technology. Like every time you wake up nowadays, like you're literally on the cutting edge of every time you wake up on the cutting edge of technology. Okay, you are Twitch, which is good. You do not exist because you still need to go to this, which is this. Let's rename you to Twitch. Dun, dun. Okay, so the cool part about this. The cool part about this is that this is going to instantiate our nodes for us, which is the same thing we have for... Man, dude, it's always fun when tech builds on itself. That matches this one. So those are going to be instantiated here. So there's main. Okay, so those will be these. So these right here are going to be the exact same things that we have for the other one, which is pretty fantastic. I wish they could all reference the... I wish I had like a base code thing that I could use. That anything is used in multiple projects should go here. There probably is something like that somewhere. Hey, credits to Shoei in 2 places now. Congratulations, Shoei. Okay, so there's our HTTP request. There's our inputs. I do not have these. And that is because we do not have these. Okay, this is Input Manager and how we're reading in binds. So when I press F2, that would close out the application or whatever else, which is pretty great. Cool, cool. I don't need to save inputs because this is literally just for me, so we can go to this. Cancel that. Teacher, leave those kids alone. Dun, 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 dun. All in all, you're just another brick in the wall. Should have probably did this on the other one too. Another brick in the wall. Dun, 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 dun. And also those keys are not correct, which is not great. Now is it? So this we don't need. Which, technically, those are read in dynamically. And this is stuff that I want to refactor. Which is technically true, which means I should probably fix this one. What are you doing, dude? Sky, come on. You're not going out, man. You kept barking at the door. This is your fault. You could have stayed in the front room. Lay down. Lay down. So Skyrim was gonna. Da, da. Okay, get rid of that. Which means, so that load had this. Actually, we can go back and do this. Oops. This. It is something I have started doing every time. This. That way I know in the back of my mind, without even having to think about it, that it's coming from this. All of these can change. So you came from here. You go away. That should break a lot of these. There we go. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. Bam! Except it's not technically aligned anymore, which kind of sucks, but it's fine. At the moment, it's fine. Okay, so we don't need those. I don't need this. I do need to pull the database stuff that we are pulling from the database stuff we're pulling from, or using in the server. Oh, dude, my eye. Down there is this temptation. Ah, yes, familiar code. Nice, nice. Okay, so that should be it for this, except so I need to come across when I was him. I need. Okay, it's gonna be whatever this is. Oh, sorry. That was a very bad description. It is going to be, well, really, I guess the only thing we need to do here is quit this if I happen to hit like F12 or something. Do I need input for this? That is a good question. My gut instinct says yes, and my gut instinct says yes because I thought about doing transitions and shit. If we do transitions, then hotkey number 1, or, numpad 1, could handle a transition. Procedural animations, yo. Following to you, nothing needs to you, nothing I can do. So I guess we will leave that in there. We will leave that in there. Especially since it's already done for us, which is good. So those are good. This was just a wrapper. I don't think anything was in there. think this is only used for, well, I have virtual written for it, so it should only be used in other places. Which I think was just because we needed to call start on it, and there's only one that needed to call start, which is the input, and the other one, which is HTTP, is just using Godot's process. Both of these are nodes, which will be instantiated, which is fantastic because that's already handled for us. And this, which is instantiating the scene, which we do not have. Why did not bring those over? Thank you, brain. You are so wonderful and kind to me when you're just talking about random nonsense. You are not in here. That path needs to change, not this one. This one. I went by you, forgotten. I need this. New car, perfect, shiny, and new. So. Now the question became. Ignore that file, it's only there for testing purposes, trust me. Otherwise, this also matches that. Oh, all of that the kind before. That obsessive little rich boy. So, scenes. Make you feel the way. Where? Oh, I don't have the console logger in here either. That's way up in the west. I should pull that over too. That's what I was looking for. Just get a pass. Will you please let me stay the night? Will you please let me stay the night? No one will ever know. Okay, let's bring those over too. I will buy you forgotten where your flowers can bloom. Server time we don't need, but I don't think we need the type finder there, but it should be fine. Way up in the West Hills, I will buy you a new car. Oh. I will buy you a new car. I think we just call this assets then. So these go away. Why is this one not plural? That is actually incorrect to me. Oh, I got no. It should be like this. The other one is incorrect to name. Okay. Anyways, so I guess that should be assets. So I will have to fix that one. It's fine. Because then I would have fonts, icons. Which basically matches this. So resource path, assets, technically, okay. Technically, these should be plural. I wouldn't reference the script, I don't think. Day with the drink in the parking garage by the feet. There's two ways of doing this. I think it makes more sense to do this. So instead of calling this assets, we're going to call this resources. Okay, that's kind of weird. Okay, so core and resources, technically would be basically scopes, but I like core better. So core services, tools. This is going to be resource pass, which is resources. So root is going to be res resources. How do you already have a name for this, though? Okay. How do you exist twice? Do I have... We pulled that in. Okay, that's the end of that. I gotta rename this. Ah, there they are. What, in your feels? What, you can't handle Welcome to the Black Parade? By MCI? Making you feel old, dude? That's all the way from the 90s, man. Early 2000s, 90s? I think so. Defeat them. Defense that they had me. Okay, so this just becomes this. Oops. I could do that. Okay, so that's going to be root. Root is resources, so res resources. Oh, really? Back in the CD days? Next thing you know, you're going to be talking about floppy disks. Floppy Ds, look at these. Okay. Oh, I think that's why that's so sharp. That's an SVG. I think I need to change that to PNG. I was wondering why that was so sharp. Like that thing, like I can see the crispness, like the pixels and stuff. Also, I can't find Sergio Black, dude. Or sorry, Seguio UI bold. Or no, Seguio UI heavy It exists in GIMP, but I don't know where it, like, it exists here. I have it right here. It's like UI heavy, but it doesn't exist in, it doesn't exist in, doesn't exist in, Windows for some reason. It's kind of irritating. Okay, anyways, so res, resources, here's resources. Fonts would be their own, scenes goes here. I should change this for the client project and do the same thing now that I'm looking back at this. And that's not that big of a it's not a very difficult change. Okay, so core, tools, resource paths, which are here. Good. Okay, and then these do or die, you'll never make me, 'cause I won't take my heart to time. Okay, these need to go in here. So you carbon, 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 carbon. Okay, I need you. So it needs to go like this. So I should do this for the other one too. And then you go in there. And you go in there. Okay, so resource so goes res, resources, resources, scenes, which is this. Although this is now... Oh, I'm glad I caught that. That would have been incorrect. I do need the path. Oh, I do need the... Okay. Okay, so this is the scenes path, which then connects Godot's. So the Godot's folder... Godot's folder takes the scenes path, which is this, so res, resources, scenes, Godot's, and then these scenes, which is HTTP and input, which are these. Success. Does Coldplay hit you in the feels too, Pirate? Okay, so there's the Godot's. That means we have access to HTTP requests too, which now I can start making Spotify requests, which is great. Cool. That was pretty quick, yeah? Oh, dude, I love when code just comes together. This is why it's so important to have strongly typed code, so when you move things over and everything's in its own contained space, I can just reuse shit. Holy fuck, how the fuck do I do these things? I don't know. It's like somehow past... You know, I want to thank past Jason for like, I don't know, 6 months ago, 10 months ago, 20 months ago. Being so familiar with how to kind of structure things, and past people that I've met too. Yes. The strength of learning from others. Thanks, past people. But it always helps actually knowing. It's always funny when devs like that's well, I guess it's not really funny, but some devs don't realize, they know a lot of shit. It's just that, like, if you look behind here, dude, like, if you look at, like, this isn't a piece of paper, this is a functional screen. It's just text behind text behind text. Like, when you're looking at this thing, you have no idea what's in resource paths, what's in services, what's in res. I have no idea. The importance of your eyes knowing where something is. Oh, it's so important. Very important. Alright, anyways, because I would not be able to do this if I didn't know what all these functions did. Okay, so there's resource paths. I technically should fix that on the I technically should fix that right now, so I don't forget. Okay, fine. It's not a part of this project, but it is the other project that we're referencing here. It's Pulver, so fine. Fine. That now makes this go like this. So res folder assets. No, it wasn't assets. It was resources. See, resources, add-ons or something. So Blender files, audios, scenes, shaders, materials. I don't know what properties are for, but sure. That's happened there too, but that's fine. That actually might break some things. Uh-oh. Not too concerned with that. I see old file. Okay, audio said nothing. Blender said ores and trees. I remember doing those. Materials, nothing fancy. That was nothing fancy. The thing I'm worried about is scenes. I know those are referenced in the resource files. Shaders, I don't know if I'm too worried about. The big thing is I don't remember if I did anything with instantiating these. That's fine. That's about to get fixed. This is about to get fixed. I think we're good. That was the part of containerizing these so that everything would be in its own separate scene. So rather than this referencing everything, this example, nothing actually. This only here is here for testing purposes. But main instantiates entire scene hierarchy. So all of these actually get instantiated on that one, which is exactly what we're doing for the Twitch overlay. So this now becomes resource pass. This now simply becomes resources. Oh, but you're referenced in multiple places, and I did not put a backslash there. So just like we did for the other one, backslash, bam, cool. So root, scenes. Oh my god, dude. Whoever came up with interpolated strings was a fucking genius, dude. I'm actually kind of surprised this works with a const string. I don't know how that's possible. Anyways, so that's resource pass. Cool. So just to make sure you are in the same pass. So tools, resources. You should match the same naming convention as this one. And when your hope is gone, move along to make it through. Resource pass. So it's. Even when your hope. So resource pass. That's resource path. Scene Godot. So game states. Developer consoles. If we're going with the Xaxes. So resource path scenes, resource path scenes, resource path. This one's wrong. Okay, so everything should have just no pluralization, only resource paths. Cool, that should give us that. I mean, technically I have Spotify right next to me, but it's just fun to use that. Da-da. You know, there's some other cool things I can do in here too. And if it's a simple notification like that, rather than having that little shelf and stuff, I can actually have like when songs change and shit. Especially now that we kind of figured out a lot of the difficulties for Spotify and Twitch. Should be fun. Okay, so this is Twitch, so that's good. This is now at Godot's level. So let's make sure we don't forget this. So you should now be on main. This should now be able to await this. That gets rid of this issue. So now we have reference of the main node. We have the services. Services call start. That's going to instantiate the nodes. You go away. You go away. You go away. You go away. Move these closer for the sake of now. Get the cool. Then we need to. That's kind of same thing. You are technically now below system because you're Twitch. Okay, in the jungle. Oh, that's gonna suck. That's gonna drive me nuts. That sounds on nomination. We're just gonna get that out of the way right now because it's gonna drive me nuts. It's got music that we choose. Oh my god, dude, that's gonna drive me nuts. Dun, dun. But I think this is the only stuff we're bringing over from the other project. Good, 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 good. That's fucking funny. Okay, so services start. Cool, that's going to start our services. Each service should be started. So this is where. Dun, 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 dun. We'll be starting the Godot services. Godot services goes through here. Sorry, through here. You're going to call setup. You're going to add the Godot. Actually, we can get rid of this if that's how we're doing that. So you go away. Oh my god! So much stuff. No! That's fine. Okay, so I think I remember what's this. So that's going to instantiate the Godot services. That was that other project, which is good. So that's going to instantiate these. So you're now in there. That's good. Not with me. That's good. So that's going to hit by setup and start. That's good. I don't think I had anything for that service. That should just be those scenes. That one was wonky because, well, that one just contains a node in the scene. The HTTP and input get instantiated on that node, which means those are actual scripts. Just to make sure, those actually had scripts on them. Do you have those? Service Godot. I'm impressed. Yes, it does. And then here's input, which has a script, which is service Godot input. Yes, it does. Excellent. Excellent. Cool. So these two have their script on it, which is good, which means they're already functional. Oh god, I thought of that because I actually don't know if that would have translated over. Okay, so HTTP input is here. Okay. Let's see, you two can go, you two are instantiated in that scene already. Raccoon Central Station.